Hello, my name is Nala Brown, and I'm here once again with your summer at home craft. So today we are going to be scientists once again and do this magic milk experiment. Let's get started. For this experiment, you will need the following: milk, dish detergent, cotton swabs, food coloring, and a plate. So let's get started. First off, you want to pour the milk into your plate. You don't want to pour too much milk to where the plate is overflowing with milk, but you want to pour enough so there's a thin layer at the bottom. After doing this craft numerous of times, I've learned if you don't put enough milk and you put the Q-tip in the milk, it'll spread apart, but it'll just spread to a clean plate. It will not be enough to move the colors around. So you want to put a generous amount, but not too generous. So when you pour your milk in your plate, you want to give it a minute to sit. Let all the bubbles pop, let it stop moving around, and just let it rest inside the plate. After you do that, it's time for you to pick your colors and pour your colors in your milk. So when you're putting your food coloring in your milk, you can put them in different spaces like this, just different puddles. You can do different drops all around the milk, but what you want to do is keep your movements gentle. You don't want to move too quick and already mix the milk before you can see the experiment. So to activate this craft, you need to take your cotton swab and dip it in your dish soap. But you do not want your cotton swab to be drenched with dish soap. You do not want it to be dripping. So what you should do is dip it in there and take your cotton swab and rub it off on the side of the cup so you can have enough dish liquid to cover up the cotton swab, but not so much that it's just dripping down. And now all you have to do is place it in your milk. So remember earlier when I said you need to have enough milk on the plate? This is a great example. I did not have enough milk on the plate, so when I took the cotton swab and put it in the center of the plate, it spread the milk away, but now I have this big circle in the middle of my plate and no milk would move through it unless I poured the milk over or swifted the milk over. Also, with this craft, you don't need to move your cotton swab. All you have to do is place it down. So you may ask yourself, what's going on? So dish detergent is made to clear fat and grease off of your dishes when you're cleaning them. So 1% and 2% milk has a very high fat content. So when you take the soap and you put it in the milk, the colors move away all around because surfactant, and surfactant breaks the surface tension of fat, greasy products, and phosphates cleans the fat out of it. So what happens when you do this craft over and over and over, but you put soap in it and the milk doesn't move anymore? As you can tell, I'm taking a clean Q-tip. I am dipping it in the soap. I'm taking a high amount of soap and I'm putting it in the milk. Well, it's not moving. It's not moving because since the surfactant has broken the surface tension and the phosphates have held on to those fat molecules to clean them out, it doesn't move anymore. All the fat content is gone. So this is not even milk anymore. It's just water. So this is the process that your hands go through when you clean them. No matter if there's dirt or grease on your hands, the surfactant in the soap breaks the surface tension, and the phosphate in the soap connects to the contents on your hands and clean them right off. I hope you found today's video as magical and fascinating as I did. Thank you for watching.